The first step to live in Portugal. The first step is to choose the type of visa. Therefore, you must choose the type of visa that is most suitable for you. There are visas for employed workers, self-employed workers, students, entrepreneurs, investors, among others. How to apply for a visa? After choosing a visa, you must send the necessary documents to the consulate in your country. What documents should I send? The types of documents are required according to the type of visa. For example, a student visa requires evidence of registration in an education institution, documents common to all visas. Evidence of sufficient means of subsistence. Evidence that the applicant has adequate accommodation. Criminal record of the applicant's country of nationality. Immigration and Border Services. SEF, Serviço de Estrangeiros e Fronteiras. All applications for a resident permit are analyzed and accepted by the SEF. Therefore, even if the request is made at the consulate in your country, the approval of the resident permit will be made by the SEF. As you know, the visa is in your passport and you need to receive your resident card. So, after entering Portugal, you will have a deadline to appear at the SEF and apply for a residence permit. All documents will be checked again. We have more information and details in the video description. Check out.